In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money with Wise, a convenient and cost-effective way to manage international finances. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to refine your understanding, I'm here to guide you through the entire process. So, let's dive right in. Start by opening up your web browser and heading over to the main homepage of Wise. This is your central hub for managing all your transfers and transactions. Once you're on the site, you'll notice the interface is quite user-friendly. Now, look for the option that says Payments. This will be your next step, so go ahead and click on that. It's located prominently on the main page, making it easy to find. Moving forward, navigate to Payment Tools. This part of the interface is crucial because it provides you with all the necessary tools and features to manage your money effectively. Clicking on your Wise tag will be your next action. Here you'll find details specific to your account and manage various functionalities related to your transactions. Once you've reached this section, you should see an option to click Start. This is where you begin the process of setting up your transaction details. After that, you'll want to click on Choose Currency. Now, this is important because selecting the correct currency ensures that you're able to receive money in the format that works best for you and aligns with your account settings. After choosing your currency, you'll then confirm your selection by clicking on Confirm. This solidifies your choice and moves you one step closer to finalizing the transaction. Following this, click on Get Account Details. This step will provide you with all the necessary details you'll need to share with anyone sending you money. It's a helpful feature that simplifies receiving funds from abroad. Next, you'll hit Continue. This takes you through the last phase of ensuring your account is ready to receive money. Another click on Continue might be required here, just to confirm everything is in order and you're satisfied with the setup. Now, it's time to make the bank transfer. Once you've executed this step, you'll click on I've made my bank transfer to notify Wise that the transaction is in progress. If you're not ready to transfer money just yet, don't worry. You can opt for I'll transfer my money later. This gives you the flexibility to plan and execute the transfer at your convenience. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of setting up your Wise account to receive money. By following these steps, you've ensured that your transactions will be smooth, efficient, and straightforward. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.